Today's our topic is velocity and acceleration in SHM. So earlier we discussed about this graph, right? It is of whenever we tied some stone and just rotate it circularly, then we are having this type of graph. So this is y and this is x, right? So it starts from, for example, we are at this point, right? So it's x of t, that we get x of t is equal to a cos omega t, right? So now by this equation we can also find the velocity, speed of that object. So velocity of that object is in the direction of tangent drawn at that point. So there will be velocity v of t. Now we can find velocity. Velocity is nothing but differentiation of displacement with respect to time. So here we get a is constant, cos differentiation is sine omega t, right? So cos differentiation is sine and omega t differentiation further, then we get omega here. But see, sine differentiation is cos, but cos differentiation is minus sine, so I have to write here minus. So that's why v of t we get minus omega a sine omega t, right? So that's velocity. Now here, because of some force, here we are having acceleration also to that object. So acceleration a of t is equal to dv of t by dt. Now further differentiate this equation. Minus omega is constant, sine it is cos omega t, and again sine differentiation is cos, but further we have to differentiate this term. In that term omega is again constant, take it outside, so omega into omega, omega square, t is as it is, t into t differentiation will be 1, right? So that is our acceleration. Now see, acceleration have also its own direction. Here for any circular motion, acceleration direction is always towards its center. So this is acceleration direction because of that centripetal force, right? So that is our a of t. See here, v of t and a of t. Now common term a of t and x of t, it will be a cos omega t. So I can write a of t is equal to minus omega square x of t, that we can write in the form of displacement. Now we are going to draw all the graph. First starts from x versus t. In this graph the function is cos, so it starts from maximum value. Further we are having another graph of v versus t. Now v of t, here we are having sine function, it starts from 0. So v is the function of omega a, so I have to write here omega a. Here x means a, means amplitude, a versus t, omega a versus t, right? Here negative, that's why I have to write negative side. So plus omega a, and here we have minus omega a, here plus a, here we have minus a. So plus omega t minus omega t, that is our graph, right? So this graph is depends on sine function, it starts from 0, right? And the third and last graph is of omega square. It is the graph of omega square a plus omega square a minus omega square a, and the function is cos function, so again it starts from maximum value, then minimum, maximum, minimum, right? So all graph is of here x axis as time t. So this is how displacement, velocity and acceleration changes their term according to time in circular motion. So velocity, acceleration, displacement all are correlate with each other with some time function. So that's our velocity and acceleration in SHM. Here we take SHM as in circular motion, right? So that's it for today now.